So you can see there's a slight bump here where my thumb is, this part. So this is what is causing the flapper to leak. This is the American Standard 4370A, and it has a dual flapper system. Replaced these flappers. So you can remove the two flappers. Just pull on the vinyl or the silicone flapper and pull it out and snap the new replacement on. To snap on the back, use the index finger on your right hand and your left hand and push up so the vinyl snap would snap onto the plastic part. So you can see the new silicone flapper is completely flat, but don't be surprised it will still leak a little bit. That's just the nature of this system, which is, I don't think, perfect. So the toilet tank also needs to be tightened. I use a 13mm socket to retighten the toilet tank to the bowl.